What's something people don't know about hitting big financial goals? It can be done in just 90 days with the right plan. Tomorrow, we kick off an exciting 90-day journey to 30K. Our expert mentor will guide you step by step through proven business strategies and marketing techniques. You get a 5-minute video each day, packed with actionable steps to master digital marketing, attract customers, and craft your perfect message. It's simple, effective, and fits right into your busy schedule. In 90 days, you can build new habits, patterns, and yes, new income. You'll learn the skills you're missing, how to attract customers without cold DMs, and fixing your offer or price point. Plus, a step-by-step 90-day blueprint to hit 30K. Master your time, just 2 hours a day for income-producing activities. Ready for massive growth in 2025? Drop a yes in the comments to join our community. Get the tools, support, and guidance to make 2025 your best year yet. Let's do this.